Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about how you can create social media content and media from ChatGPT. Now, what we have to do is we have to go on ChatGPT, log in and signing up for that. And the other thing is that we have to go to explore GPT. So this is where most of the trained GPTs come and where you can check already created trained prompts and ideas. Now, what we do is we choose or we choose any of the tools here that is, for example, for scripting, for social media content. We will use video for me, write for me to create something, copywriting to create content, or it's just script. Yeah. So text to video, animation script builder, TikTok viral script, YouTube script with engaging hooks. When you click on it, you'll say start chat and it will easily create social media content for you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.